Macs have a great reputation for being productivity machines, and they are indeed great productivity machines. But gaming is not productivity. What's up guys, it's me from iTech Everything, and welcome to this new video. So this video is about Macs and gaming. So this has been a kind of controversial topic, and I have actually asked this on Instagram, and it was a question where I was gonna make a video on iPhone XR on gaming or iMac or Macs on gaming. So I got more votes for Macs for gaming. So here's the video first, and next week is gonna be iPhone XR for gaming. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, people say that Windows PCs can run games better than Macs, but that is absolutely wrong. Well, Macs and Windows PCs share pretty much the same hardware, and that's only till today when ARM MacBooks are going to be launched according to the rumors. And yeah, hardware depends a lot. Macs do have decent graphics, but not as good as the high-end Windows PCs. But yeah, that is also fixed in the high-end Macs. The 21.5-inch iMac, which I have right here, does not have the best graphics, which are the Radeon Pro 560 4GB of RAM, which is the model which I have. But the iMac Pro, 16-inch MacBook Pro, and the Mac Pro, if you see, and the 27-inch iMac have great graphics and can excel many great gaming PCs and are pretty much on par with other gaming PCs or laptops. And yeah, those are great powerhouses for gaming and more stuff too. And also, Max Tech just made a video right before recording this video for gaming, so you can totally check that video out, and I'll just put it in the card right there. Well, if you're concerned about playing games which are not supported on Mac, then you can also install Windows on your Mac computer, which is straightforward and pretty easy to do. Also, many people say that Apple does not focus on hardware and more on software. Well, that's true, but if you see last year's iMacs, they had pretty great graphics and pretty much great specs with that i9 processor and great Vega 48 graphics. It is a pretty great beast overall, even in gaming. Even though the display is not 120Hz and it's 60Hz, the quality of the display is extremely good. Yeah, so Macs aren't the best for gaming, but you can't say that they can't run games, because they can, and they are perfectly capable to do so. But a Windows PC specifically made for gaming will be much better. And a good gaming PC can cost you well over $4,000. And the 27-inch iMac is well worth it at a similar price point for more things than just gaming. But yeah, I will definitely not recommend you to go ahead and buy an iMac just for gaming. Because yeah, like I mentioned in the intro, Macs have a great reputation for being great productivity machines, and they are indeed great productivity machines, but gaming is not productivity. Also, sometime prior to recording this video, Apple has launched their new 16-inch MacBook Pro with beast graphics, and they excel most of the gaming PCs out there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a beast in performance and can run games pretty well. Also, today is the possible launch of the ARM MacBook and the new iMac. So might be that the results of this video are tending to change tonight. So yeah, that's it for today. And thank you for watching this quick, maybe long video, but hope you enjoyed it. You got to know what you wanted to know. Please consider subscribing, liking that video if you would. And yeah, that's it for this one. Maybe show some love in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace!